County Seed Adventures here. Just got a pile going here. We got a bicycle. We've got long pipe there. I wanted to flip the sign over. Not going so good for me. Here we go. Show you that sign. Look at the length of that pole. Oh my God. Yeah. That was up over the bridge with the Titan. We got an old bumper. That's an old bumper, like from a, I don't know what, but old. And we got an anchor, a lipstick, got some bicycle parts, we got a Trump sign, all kinds of scrap. Even got some kind of handlebars or something there. County Seed Adventures, cleaning her up one piece at a time.